In this legal series, I would talk about a private job quota reservation. It is very important. Nowadays, during the polls, all the parties have promised during the state poll, have promised to enact the legislation to protect the local youth to get the jobs in their own states. I take, for example, the Haryana state, where the job bill also was promised by the party and whereby it was enacted in June 22. I'm sorry, it's also January 2022. It was enacted and the law was stayed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. After that, the government has also went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court set aside the stay and ordered the High Court to finish the case very earlier, because the legislation has been challenged. But due to the private job reservation, many problems may appear in the federal structures. And many Article 14 and 15 and 19 all support the industrialist to do their practice and anywhere else in India something. But these legislations, they support the local youth to call the job 75%. More states, including Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh have enacted these laws, and they could not also implement the provision of the acts. All are in challenge. The private job reservation quota will not provide any skills to the industrialist field. Because of the industrialist and also the employers, they have to engage in the skilled labor to reach their objectives, to win in their own the cases in their own provisions of the organization. But all organizations, private, whether registered, trust, or the industrials, many think up to 30,000 rupees salary. For that, the employees, they can get and the job under this act. But now, act is in challenge. In most states, the more states also are to follow this legislation. The legislation may be enacted by the states, but I think it is not good for the good health of the industrial improvements. The industrial improvements are based on skilled laborers, and also they get the laborers, they get the employment. But due to this legislation, state legislation, they will annihilate themselves. They will not engage the skilled laborers, and they will not get the benefits, and they will not promote their own objectives of industrialization and improvement of the economy. Thank you.